Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for watching this video. Nowadays, everywhere you hear only one word, Azure, Azure, Azure. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, everyone is moving their applications, data centers and networking and security to Microsoft Azure. But what exactly is Azure? Why is the whole IT world talking about it? Let's understand it in a simple and interesting way. And yes, of course, Azure is a Microsoft product. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform and service which provides a wide range of tools, 200 plus tools and services. It helps everyone to build, manage, and deploy applications and systems. It can be done through Microsoft managed data centers, which is around the world. In simple words, Azure help companies run their applications, websites, databases, servers, and even security systems online without buying and maintaining expensive physical hardware. For example, instead of company buying 100 servers and keeping them in a data center, they can simply use Azure and pay online for what they use. That's why companies love Azure. It is scalable, secure, fast, and cost effective.